Are you looking for a quick, professional way to secure your cloud workloads or virtual environments with advanced firewall protection? So, whether you're testing in AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or on premises, FortiGate VM gives you enterprise grade security and segmentation. FortiGate VM is Fortinet's next generation firewall delivered as a virtual appliance. It provides robust threat protection, secure connectivity, and VDOM enabled segmentation for your public cloud or virtualized data center. They have a 30-day free trial that you can explore all features risk free and see how easy it is to protect your cloud workloads. With FortiGate VM, you can get comprehensive security including IPS, anti-malware, web filtering, and VPN, all managed from an intuitive interface. The trial lets you deploy in your preferred environment and test real-world use cases like secure BPC access, segmentation, and compliance. In this video, we'll walk you through registering for a 30-day trial, deploying FortiGate VM in a cloud or virtual environment, initial configuration, and activating your trial license. You'll also see tips for setting up basic firewall policies and monitoring traffic. First things first, head over to their website, which is fortinet.com. On their offers, they have the FortiGate VM trials. So you can see in here this. Scroll all the way down until you can see their complimentary trial. You just need to register, input your details like your name, job function, job level, company, email address, state, as well as some more, and then click on submit in order to register for a trial. Then they will email you this that actually gives you the full working demo that lets you explore the many features of FortiGate VM. So this is what that will look like. Here we have the actual main dashboard of our FortiGate VM. So do take note that this is just a demo and you can still buy it if you would want. Here we have the system information such as the host name. We also have the serial number, firmware, mode, system time, as well as uptime and one. We have in here the clients by FortiAP. As of right now, we still have 0 since we just created it. We have the FortiAP status, signal strength, rogue APs, historical clients, interfering SSIDs, as well as login failures, FortiView proxy sources by bytes, application bandwidth, CPU usage, and you can see that you can track them by the second right here. You can also track that by 24 hours, as well as per hour, by minutes, as well as by seconds, just like this. You can see in here the licenses that we have, as well as the FortiView proxy policies, as well as a lot more. You can see in here under the licenses some features like hyperscale support, updates, IPS, antivirus, and web filter. So let's head over and then see them. First things first, let's head over and then see their hyperscale. As you can see, they have a hyperscale for the firewall and it's not licensed right now, but as you can see, all of those green ones are licensed for the demo. For example, let's choose in here the support and you can see that we have the enhanced support for that registered as well. And also we have license for the updates, also for the IPS, antivirus, and web filter. So let's head over and then explore all of them. You can click onto this add widget if you want to add a new widget for this part. You can see some widget recommendations that you can add into your dashboard. So your dashboard is actually fully customizable based on what you want to see. Now let's head over right here into our one. Now in here you can see in here as well some reports based on that. We have HTTP as well as LAN and also non-cacheable bypass, miss, and hits as well. You can see the application bandwidths and the likes. Now if you head over right here to your network, you can see in here some more reports based on your dashboard right here. Now enough about the dashboard. Let's head over and then set up some few more things onto this part. For example, you can set up VPN based on this. So you can click on this Fabric Overlay Orchestrator. You can see in here if it's enabled or disabled. This orchestrator will create a complete hub and spoke VPN between all participating FortiGates in the security fabric. Now make sure that this one is enabled. We also have a VPN tunnel right here that can actually allow us with this case. As you can see, as of right now, they are inactive, but you can still change the status for that. You can click on more and then change the status for this particular VPN tunnel that you have. Now you can also view tunnel connections based on this. Now under this, we also have the security profiles. So let's head over to the antivirus. So in here you can see some monitors for those as well as comments for those monitors. You can click on any which one of them and view them right here. So each antivirus profile can be shown onto this part and you can edit this profile in order to enable the antivirus scan. You can block or monitor those. You also write a comment based on that as well as some more inspected protocols. You can see in here that to treat Windows executable in email attachment as viruses. So as you can see, you can change it according to your liking. You can also send files to FortiBox for inspection. So it actually acts as a service firewall. So you can see in here some virus outbreak prevention as well as malware hash external feed. You can also use EMS external field for this. So let's close this. Now you can still view a lot more antivirus parts and you can also create your own by clicking onto this plus icon right here and you can see the filterable columns and then create your own as well. Now you can also create some web filters. So we have in here this default web filtering, monitor all as well as Wi-Fi default. Let's choose in here this monitor all and click onto this view. So you can see in here the actual restrictions for this particular profile. We have in here the feature set for that. You can see in here if you can allow categories as well as potentially liable. For the drug abuse, hacking, as well as a lot more, you can just monitor them. But for this one, I'll just head over and then just try to block. You can just click on any which one of them and click on block. You can also just use warning or authenticate option. So for this case, let's head over and just do this right here. You can also choose in here some options and just do this. We also have adult and mature content for this case. You can choose onto this part and then block them if you would want. So in that way, those websites that you can actually visit or the users will visit will be blocked based on the FortiGate VM's firewall prevention. So there's still a lot more to actually see on FortiGate VM since they have video filter, DNS, they also have email filter as well as web application firewall and the likes. They also have Wi-Fi and switch controller, system, and security fabric option that you can actually utilize based on to your liking. So thank you for watching our FortiGate VM setup tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your network. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on network security and cloud protection tools. So, what are your biggest challenges with cloud security or firewall development? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.